Hello everyone, welcome to EME Technologies. My name is Munish Sharma and today I will tell you how to make your own LED flasher with simple two transistors. Basically I am using two transistors BC547 and BC557. BC557 is PNP transistor and BC547 is NPN transistor. So basically this circuit will work like that. This capacitor is getting charged. Capacitor opposes the voltage change, so it will store the energy when there is increase in energy and discharge the energy when there is decrease the energy. So this LED will flash. Basically the working of this particular project is that this BC557 will conduct and this 547 will also conduct for a little short time of period, and we can increase the delay by using the resistance. If we use the large amount of resistance, currently I am using 25 kilo ohm resistance and 10 microfarad capacitor, so this will give around 1 second delay. If we are using a bigger capacitor or some bigger amount of resistance, so the delay will be increased. So let's test it. I'm using a 9-volt battery to power it up. As you can see, it is flashing at a very low amount every 1 second. We can also use a 555 timer, but it will not be that much cost effective for a particular task we are doing right now. So we can use these two transistors for this purpose. If you want to increase the delay in the blinking of light, you can increase the amount of capacitor or increase the amount of resistance which will discharge this capacitor. Okay, so right now I am removing this capacitor, 10 microfarad capacitor, and now I am looking for a more delay, so I am using 100 microfarad capacitor. Positive plate of capacitor is connected to the positive of the collector and negative one is for negative, like this. Okay, so now when I will connect the power, as you can see, the delay is much more increased comparatively to the 10 microfarad capacitor which I used previously. So this will increase the delay because the capacitor will charge at a large amount and discharge at a low amount. If I increase this resistance, the LED flashing will also increase. Okay, so right now I am going to increase the resistance. So now I have removed this resistance and put up a new resistance of 10 kilo ohm, which is reduced. So now I will power up this circuit. As you can see, the delay is reduced. So like this you can vary the value of capacitor and resistor to blink the LED at a precise delay. Okay, so here is the circuit of this project. You can vary this resistance and capacitive values and BC557 PNP transistor and BC547 NPN transistor. Like this you can connect LED and power up with the source of 9-volt battery. Like this you can make it as per your requirement of the project. Okay, thank you very much. Do like our video.